Looks like soup to me. Let's get started. Looking good with the meat, uncured bacon, carrots. Gonna start with the onions and the uncured bacon, browning till very dark. Going to add some carrots and garlic for flavor only. We'll take them out later. Once everything is completely browned, really dark, remove them from the pan. And in the same oil, brown your piece of meat. Now I'm going to brown it on both sides slowly and thoroughly. Okay, that's what's going to give you your flavor on the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to remove the meat, and you can see it's still undercooked inside. However, that'll be taken care of later. I'm going to deglaze with a Pinot Grigio because I like the flavor, and I'm going to allow the wine to reduce completely. Then I return the meat to the pot, as well as all the brown vegetables that I had reserved. Now I'm going to cover with boiling water and simmer for a long time until the meat is completely fork tender. I'm going to remove the carrots and the garlic at this point, and I'm going to plate it up. And here it is. I used French bread and some nice Gruyere cheese on top, put it under the broiler with a little sprinkles of rosemary, and it's delicious. Enjoy.